Yeah, I need to stop dropping this damn camera. Testing 1, 2. Are we still alive? But so as I'm trying to take a picture, a couple, they walk by behind me, and it's like not you. I naturally am like, oh my gosh, somebody's looking at me. And I feel like I always feel like that. Like, what is up with the fear of being seen? Having a talk with my son about that the other day, and it's just like sometimes you just have to have the audacity. And I feel like I've always had the audacity, but it's like, do you really have the audacity? And it's like, you don't. You really don't. Of course, you have to give yourself credit for the things that you do, but then it's just like you're not pushing yourself past a certain limit. You're like nestled into the comfort zone. And sometimes life is experienced by moving out of the comfort zone. So that is one of my reoccurring goals. I've thought about that when I turned 37 and I went on my cabin trip. It's just like, just be more open to experiencing new things. I think, of course, with the start of the new year, you see an you see an influx of like new goals and new resolutions, new year, new me. And I feel like for me in this time, it's like the time to fall back and to work, to put in a work. I am putting it in my summer budget, in my budget in general, to visit either the yurt or the campsite, something out here. I will be enjoying that this summer. So, see you this summer. Testing. 1, 2. Are we still alive? Yo. Yo. Oh my gosh, my forehead looks huge. But yeah, I need to stop dropping this damn camera. I really need to. Make Brussels sprouts. I'm going to like shave the whole thing so that it's just the outside, like the outer parts that be falling off, and it'll be nice and crunchy. And then instead of meal prepping it, I'll just cook it. Here we go. I'll just cook it every night until they're done, because this is not going to hit the same tomorrow. It's not going to be crunchy. I might not have any more tomorrow because this is good. This is good. Yeah. See what the salmon is looking like. I put this sweet, let me see what it's called. This on top and let it broil. Sweet soy glaze. But I didn't want it to be too, I don't know, I guess overcooked. I don't know what the word would be. You know, salmon can get overcooked pretty quick. I don't want it to be like dry and whatnot. It's hot, but it's moist. And it's good. I did that. I sure did. Okay, you guys are straight. Good morning, good people. I hope you all are well. It is Monday. It is 8:50 in the morning. And I woke up like suddenly. I slept on the couch. I've been sleeping on the couch. I have not slept in my bed since I've been here. And we're going on a week. Yeah, today makes a week. But I didn't fix my bed until Friday, I think. I'm not sure. But I'm about to juice. I think I'm gonna just make my shots. That should be easier. I don't know, we'll see. But I'm gonna do a cucumber, ginger, pineapple. I think that's all I usually put in it. Cucumber, ginger, pineapple. Yeah, and then the rest should be orange, lemon, ginger, turmeric, pineapple. That sounds about right. If not, that's what we're doing today. And most of the recipes be saying like a thumb of ginger. I don't do a thumb of ginger. I like my shit spicy, so I'm gonna do all of this. What is it? 9:09. Why did the fire alarm go off? And something told me like, oh, pull the camera. And then another part was like, girl, get the hell out the apartment. So the fire alarm goes off. Well, first we hear the beeping. And so I tell my son looks outside. He's like, no, it's going off outside. Yo, so we get dressed, we go outside. Why when we go outside, everybody's looking up? That unit is on fire. What? You got, why was it the unit next door to mine? Literally next door to mine. And I look up and you can see orange flames like inside the unit. So it's not like coming out, but you could see like their lights were off and the only illumination is the fire that's going on inside of their house. Yeah. Anyways, so luckily we're fine. I'm gonna tell y'all this. There's certain things like at a certain point you cannot worry about that. Y'all, I went and I'm knocking on doors and telling people to get out of their units. This lady's like, oh, I gotta go run back inside and get my purse. Ma'am, your purse? Your purse or your life? Which one? I don't think your purse is that important right now. I don't think it is. Like, get the hell out. But anyways, I want some cookies. So, I always keep some cookie dough on deck. I'm not gonna say this one's my favorite, but it's good. This is Pillsbury. I think I usually get, I don't know what kind I normally get. Because I broke my tripod today, and my first mind was like, just go online and buy another one. And I was like, no, Naomi, I'm sure you have another tripod that you can use, which I did. So that's what I took out. But I haven't used this in so long. It's like one of them like gorilla pod things, the one with the flexible legs. Oh, God, I almost dropped the cookie dough. I think I'm gonna just make 3 big cookies. It's not that big. It's a decent size. Okay, I should do 4. Okay, I'll do 4. Don't worry. I'll make 4. If you insist, I'll make 4. Because do I need 4 cookies? I don't. But since you want me to have 4, I'm gonna have 4. No, okay. I'll just make 3. Because girl, why are you being greedy? You don't need 4 cookies. I don't need 4 cookies. I'll just make 3. Okay, I practice self-control. I only have 3 cookies, so we're gonna wait for the oven to finish preheating, and we're gonna get our cookie on. Everybody get your roll on. Everybody get your roll on. Everybody get your roll on. What? I'm gonna put the cookies in the oven. Actually, no, because I've realized I can bake the cookies for 11 to 12 minutes exactly, and they don't get hard. So I'm gonna wait for it to preheat. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to sitting on the couch and doing nothing. So, the cookies are done. Perfection. And I'm gonna enjoy them with a little glass of water because I can't say I did the best with my water intake for today. Now, I was kind of worried about my steps. It's 9:30. I'm at 7,833 steps for the day, so I did pretty good with that. But the water. I didn't do too great with the water. I had just enough, but I could have done more. Let's see. So good. It has just a little bit of crunch, but they're so soft. Yeah, I done lost my remote, and for whatever reason the TV will not connect to my phone, and I wanted to watch something, but I can't, which is annoying. But I will see you guys tomorrow. Guys, I cannot believe it actually snowed in this capacity in Georgia. Turn this down for a second. This is the next day. Today's Saturday, and yesterday my mother was like, no, you gotta clean the snow off the car. So this morning I was like, let me come out here and clean the car off before this joint freezes over and turns into straight ice on the car. So here I am. I don't even remember what I was about to say, but y'all, it is cold out here, but I think I'm about to go for a little wiggity walk because sometimes you need some fresh air. You don't want to get like cabin fever. The only thing is my fingers are freezing, so I think I'm gonna go back inside the house, get some gloves, and then I may just walk around the neighborhood. I don't think I'm gonna leave the property. There's no real reason for that. So let the car warm up a little bit. I did want to go to Hobby Lobby. I might go a little later. I'm gonna see what the weather says. Like if it's not supposed to rain or anything like that, I think I'm gonna run to the store because I'm supposed to be hunkering down on my crochet journey. More on that later. But y'all, it snowed here in Georgia. That's all I came on here to say.